This is by far the most newbie friendly way to create a full-time income online and ditch your 9 to 5 in 2023. Hey, how's it going? It's Ara here. Welcome to the channel. If you find today's video helpful, do me a big favor on your way and hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified of all future videos on this channel. And of course, if you find today's video helpful, give it a thumbs up as it lets me know that you like this and you want to see more. So starting today, what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create a full-time income online working as little as 1 hour a day or perhaps even less using a simple done-for-you system that allows you to earn from multiple income streams by sharing one link. I know that's kind of a mouthful, but yeah, that's really the exciting part about this exact system right here is it allows you to earn from multiple income streams simply with the effort of promoting one link. As you can see right here, this is one that pays residual income. This one pays both residual and mid-ticket commissions. We also have this one right here that pays high-ticket commissions. So if you want to have those $1,000 days, $2,000 days, if you want to be able to create a full-time income with a very small handful of sales each month, this is a really great system for that. Again, multiple income streams is another one that pays high-ticket commissions as well. Earned over $2,700 right here, and of course with the main income stream itself, I've earned over $11,000, actually over $12,000 so far with this one income stream alone. Now the benefit with this, like I mentioned, is your only goal with this is just share one link and you let the system do all the selling and telling for you on your behalf right there, right? So you got your links right over here. You share one of these links. You let the video do all the explaining for you. You let the system do the selling and telling for you on the front end as well as on the back end with its follow-up series. And of course, then this helps you earn from the multiple streams of income right here, right? So down below this video, the first link down below is going to take you right over to a page that looks something like this. What you want to do is simply go to the first link down below. You could either do that on the side of this video or right at the end, and then you'll simply want to enter your email right here. Once you do that, that will take you right over to this video right here, which will explain how the system works, how to get access, and all that good stuff right there, right? So you could check that out down below. What I will be mentioning real quick in this video is how to get access to this without having to worry about the monthly fee. So normally it's $49 a month, but I'll also talk about how you can get access to this without having to worry about the monthly fees and also how to increase your earning potential for the same amount of work, right? But what's really cool about this system right here is that with this system, and of course it logs me out. So what's really cool about this system is that, like I mentioned, you're able to earn from multiple income streams simply by sharing one link. You have 4 main income streams inside of the system. As you can see right here, there's a few bonus income streams. And what's really cool about this is that this gives you this system combined with the training that you get for free on this channel. I show you step by step over the shoulder exactly what I do on a daily basis to create a full-time income online with this system and plenty of other products that I've promoted as well. All you have to do, even as a complete newbie, even if you're someone who, let's say, you don't consider yourself tech savvy, or maybe you are not good with social media, maybe you don't want to do, maybe you don't want to convince people one-on-one, or you feel like you have to be salesy. This shows you over the shoulder exactly what I do on a daily basis to create a full-time income online. And all you have to do, like I mentioned, the link to this is going to be down below, the link to this entire playlist, and you pretty much start from day 0. Well, actually day 0 you could skip, when you, of course, enroll in the system. But then start with day 1 right here. Day 1, do these steps right here, day 2, day 3, day 4, so on and so forth. And I show you multiple different ways that you could use to promote this exact system right here. Right now, there's actually 2 methods that you could use to promote this that are actually inside of the system itself. One of which is a source known as Traffic Authority. That is this one right here. And this is another income stream inside of the system as well. What's really great about this is you could simply send traffic over to your link with this source right here, right? So it's as simple as you select a package you want. Now this is of course a paid traffic source. There's paid traffic sources you could use, and there's also free methods as well that I go over as well. But if you want to get fast traffic to your link instantly, that is buyer traffic where You pay the company, they do all the work for you, they do all the marketing, they send the visitors over to your link from their database of emails, of email subscribers, of people that are, buyers. All you have to do is simply select a package you want. So for example, basic package will get you anywhere from 170 to 190 clicks. Select that one, for example, go to other website, and then right here, you just paste your link right down here, and then you simply complete the order, and then they will start sending traffic over to your link for you on your behalf. And like I mentioned with the system, this system does all the selling and telling for you. So your only goal is just get people here, and then once they opt in, this video does all the selling and telling for you on the front end. It does a really great job at converting people on the front end, but then also on top of that, there's also follow-up emails that go out to all of your leads that opt in to any of your pages right here, right? So that's really the benefit of this system. You don't have to worry about building out any sort of like fancy website or anything technical. You don't have to like get an autoresponder, connect all these different things together. The system does all of these things for you, which is really great. And of course, for each sale that you get, you have the ability to earn from not just one program, not just one commission, but residual income, high ticket, residual and high ticket, and also residual and high ticket as well. And there's a few other bonus income streams as well. So if you're someone who's looking to create a full-time income online, and one thing that I will pull back the curtain on a little bit right here is I actually have not promoted the system that much in the past few months, right? But I recently came back to this a few days ago because I decided I want to get back in the system, and it's, it converted extremely well for me in the past. And just a few days after joining, before I even really got serious about promoting, I already had a $200 day with this exact system, which this is about to be paid out to me shortly, right? But I had a $200 day. This came in at, 7 a.m. in the morning, like an hour before I woke up. So I was sleeping at this time. I woke up to a $200 commission that I got from this system. And not only did I make $200 here, but I also made another $500 from one of the other income streams as well. I want to say like a day or so later from that same exact sale, which is really great. So all in total, I made $700 just from one referral since joining, and I haven't even really gotten too serious with promoting this yet, right? So as you can see right here, 12K here that I've earned, residual income 500 right here, another 200 that I got right here, 2,500 right here. This was 2,600 that I've earned so far, 2,600, 2,700, kind of around that. It's like loading really slowly. Okay, yeah, 2,700 right here. And it's not just myself, right? There's tons of other members in here. This entire Facebook group is just filled with endless testimonials, right? Check this out, right? John Yanoka, $100 right here from one of the income streams. We have this member here, Alec, just a few days ago after a year and a half. Recently came back, put a little bit of work, and as you can see, he earned a $2,000 commission. Now, my question to you is, how would an extra $2,000 per month, how would just one of these, imagine if you got, just one sale per month, just one per month, and it was $2,000. What would that do for you, right? Really think about that for a minute, right? How many of these do you realistically need in order to be able to walk away from your 9 to 5, right? For most people, it's maybe, 2 or 3 of them per month, maybe just one of them in some cases, and you can create a full-time income just with one of these per month, let alone the residual that you could earn from here, as well as the other income streams as well, which is what makes the system so powerful and why it's still popular 3+ years after it initially launched, right? So $2,000 right here, he's Paula Berengo. Another $2,000 that he's earned from income stream 2. We have John Yanoka, $250 from income stream 4. Dean Whitfield, $200 commission right here that he woke up to, 5 a.m. in the morning. And yeah, there's plenty more results that I can go over right here, right? But this system is converting extremely well, not just for people who have been in this stuff for a while, but most of these people that you see here getting results are people that are completely brand new, people who have very little to no experience doing online marketing or any sort of make money online program, and this system has converted extremely well for newbies, which is what I like to focus on. I like to focus on programs that I feel are newbie friendly, where you don't have to spend hours on the computer or on the phone, or building out all these different web pages or getting on phone calls, any of those like technical things that most people don't want to do. This system does 90% of that work for you. Your only job is simply get clicks, get traffic over to your one link, over to your one link, and then you let the system do the selling and telling for you on the back end, right? So one sale alone each month could be enough for you to realistically quit your 9 to 5. The earning potential with these 4 income streams, we're just talking the front end right here. You could earn up to nearly $6,000 per customer whenever they go through just the 4 income streams in of itself, considering that they buy like all the products and they want to get positioned. This has the potential to earn you up to $6,000, nearly 6,000 just on the front end alone, not even including the residual aspect and not even including any of the bonus income streams that are inside of here as well, which is what makes the system extremely powerful, especially for people who are brand new. So if you want to learn more about this, go to the first link down below, go to this page, first name, email, click the button, and then you'll land right over to this video right here. When you get to this page, this is really important. If you want to eliminate the monthly expenses, all you have to do is when you pay for your first month at $49 a month, it's going to ask you if you want to cancel your monthly payments and instead pay on the annual level. I highly recommend going for that because you're going to have a higher earning potential on the front end. You're going to be eligible to earn these $200 commissions in addition to the residual $20 per month commissions as well. You're going to save money in the long term. Also, when you're an annual member, you have an entire year before you even get billed again. So it's, rather than paying $49 a month, it's just $3.99 per year. And then you have an entire year to just make 2 sales at that level before you even get billed again. So when you're an annual member, you don't have to worry about like money coming out of your account each month. You fully commit to a full year, which is what I recommend doing anyway if you're going to get into any sort of online business, not just this, but really anything that you do. When you come in with a long-term mindset and you really think, okay, well, while the system does have a really great earning potential on the front end, it's those who stick at it for the long term, 3 months, 6 months, they're the ones that really experience the most growth and the best of results, right? So for example, right, this guy right here, after a year and a half and giving up on this for a while, I recently came back. So this was someone that, for a while wasn't active in the system. He wasn't really doing much. He kind of stepped away because he, I guess for whatever reason, maybe felt discouraged a bit. He came back, put in a little bit of work, and then check this out, $2,000 that he made right there. So when you really commit to yourself and you really decide, okay, I'm really going to stick with this for 30 days straight, 60 days, 90 days, right? And you follow everything that I give you right here, and you do nothing but take action every single day. You're sending traffic to your link. You're getting clicks. You're getting eyeballs over to your links right here. It's not a matter of if, but when you get into profit, right? And as long as you do that, and once you get your first initial sale, which is always the hardest, it's really just a matter of replicating, rinse and repeat what you're already doing. And then from there, it's just pretty much you experience this snowball effect, right? You get one sale after another. And then on top of that, when you're getting consistent, front end sales with the first income stream, then the other ones right here, they just kind of snowball as well, which is really great. So that being said, go down below, get your system activated. Go for the annual level if you can. I highly recommend that. You're gonna set yourself up for a higher earning potential, same amount of work. You're gonna save more money long term. And also you are coming into with a long-term mindset when you go for the annual level. And plus I've seen members tend to get the best of results when they are not monthly and they are paying for the annual membership instead, right? Once you have your system activated, once you get in your dashboard, all you'll have to do is simply go to the next link down below. So there's a second link right under the link that'll lead you right over here. And that will take you right over to this playlist. Skip the first video, skip day 0, just go straight to day 1, and I'll show you exactly how to get your system set up. So that being said, go down below, get your system set up. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but do that. And then of course, come right back here and I'll show you step by step exactly how to take the system and how to turn it into a full-time income and help you ditch your 9 to 5 once and for all in 2023. I'll see you on the inside. Take care and all the best.